Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter BIOS on your DELL Pro 14. First of all, you have to shut down the computer, so go to Power Options and select Shut Down. After that, you have to wait until your device is fully turned off, then wait for another 5 to 10 seconds until you can relaunch it. And once you do, you have to short press the power button and then repeatedly click the F2 key until you see the BIOS setup menu on your screen. And here you'll be able to navigate through the sidebar on the left to go to different categories. If you want to see the full BIOS menu, you're gonna have to enable advanced setup by switching this toggle to the right. If you want to navigate through your BIOS menu easily, you can also use search or view all features, which will show you all the available categories and subcategories in your BIOS menu. If you want to apply some changes, you have to click apply changes at the bottom. And if you want to exit, you can either click exit right here or press escape button, and then your laptop will restart back to the operational system. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.